Okay, what do we have here, Noah?
My Angry Bird collection.
Okay, and tell us about it.
This is Bluebird with the real collection. And this is Redbird. And the big one, this is Redbird. And with the Redbird. Then the blue one.
Oh, yeah?
Then the white bird, the beautiful white bird. Then this is the big Redbird. They make sounds.
Oh.
But this is to have body. This is Bluebird, and this is Redbird, and this is Chewbacca.
Chewbacca. What else we got?
And I got the piggy with a white eye and black eyes and red eyes and white eyes.
What collection are these two guys from?
From the
You know which one. The same one as Chewbacca. What movie is that?
this from Angry Birds Star Wars collection.
Yes, that's right.
And this is the piggy one. Makes sounds, but this not work.
Oh, that one works.
So take a picture of it.
Take a picture of it?
Yeah. All the pigs first and the Angry Birds now.
Okay.
Take a picture of the pigs first.
All right. I'm gonna take a picture right now, and you're gonna tell me when to take it, okay? All right.